The Stihl FSA 45 cordless grass trimmer is perfect for maintaining lawn edges, small areas of grass and trimming around obstacles. Part of the Stihl lithium-ion range with an integrated 18-volt battery, this range also includes a hedge trimmer, blower and shrub shears. It's quiet, lightweight at only 2.3 kilograms and perfectly balanced, making it easy to tidy smaller lawns with minimal fuss. It offers up to 20 minutes runtime on a single charge, which means you can trim up to 250 metres of lawn edge. The battery charge levels can be easily checked via the LED indicator. Both the shaft and handle can be easily adjusted to suit people of different heights, and with the added bonus of not needing any tools to make those adjustments. The head can be adjusted too for precise edging along pathways and flower beds, leaving a neat finish. The handy spacer bracket also allows for mowing around obstacles and along fence lines without damaging them. It uses polycut mowing blades that can be stored on the machine, and the blades are really simple to fit or replace on the mowing head too. For neat storage in the garage or shed, the FSA 45 can be easily mounted to the wall via the hanging eyelet. To prevent the FSA 45 from being switched on accidentally, it comes with one of these activation keys, which should be removed from the machine when not being used. The machine will not work without it. To start the FSA 45, simply flick this switch forward, make sure your hand covers the trigger interlock and then pull up the trigger. When using the FSA 45, always read the manual before use and make sure you wear the correct personal protective equipment. With a grass trimmer, you should be wearing snug-fitting clothes, a face shield, goggles, gloves and sturdy footwear.